Hey guys, today I am doing my empty home tour. You guys have asked for it, so I heard you, and here it is. Okay, so when we first moved into this house, the colors were god awful, okay? That's not the nicest thing to say, I guess, but they weren't our style. Bright blue, bright orange, bright colors everywhere. Not us. I will show you guys, I did take a video of all the bright colors, but I'm only gonna show those clips in my fully furnished, fully decorated home tour video, you see? I am so excited to show you guys the house. I'm so obsessed with it. I know I say it quite often, and I don't say it out of like braggy or like, oh, look at me, like I did this. Like, no, but I am a 20-year-old homeowner. I went through the homeowning process. I have videos on it. But I did this all on my own. No help. It's just a lot of hard work. I did not work a job that pays really well either. I worked multiple little jobs. I worked at Wendy's flipping burgers, doing that. That was exhausting, honestly. So fast paced. If you worked in fast food, you feel. Right now I'm scrubbing toilets, going into infectious rooms, scrubbing poop off toilets, going into infectious rooms, mopping the floor, bleaching, like that's my life right now. So it's not glamorous, but I saved my money. I was intentional with it, and now I can reward myself and my fiance with this beautiful home, and we can just build this amazing life together. And I am so grateful and thankful and just blessed, and I just want to convey that because you can do it too. Okay, bye. Or not bye. Enjoy! Okay, we're gonna get this started. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the outside, like just the front area, because I don't want you to know where I live, but we have a cute little hello mat. So you come in, this is our front door. Yes, I do want to like frost this glass so that we don't have to have a curtain up there. Sorry, I just woke up, my voice is very raspy. We have our TV here. I will show you guys something, even though this makes it kind of not an empty house tour. We have LED strips behind the TV. After you come in the front door, you see the TV. Right there's a hallway, and then in there is our kitchen. Up here is the lighting fixture they had. It's just a fan, but actually I like it, so we're gonna keep it. And then up here, I'm gonna close the blinds really quick, just because I don't want anyone to find out where I live, but they are really pretty. In the light, they're like a shimmery, like metallic. You can't really tell that much, but they're gorgeous. Just so you guys know, that's our front door, and then we have this big picture window that takes up the whole wall. Once again, don't want to show it because I don't want anyone finding me. Big wall, our couch will sit there, okay. Don't you just love that little strip of yellow there in the hallway? We're gonna go into the kitchen, and here goes to the garage. I am gonna show you guys, but it's really dirty. Okay, so my garage, and then we just have like a shelf that we're gonna put random stuff on. We will paint in here eventually, but it won't be in a while. And then we got like our old appliances because there's new. We got new appliances, and then a crap ton of trash from moving. I don't even know where the lights are at, people, okay? Babe's in the backyard doing yard work. Got him. Okay, so we do have a little bit of furniture in here, so oops, sorry about it. This I'm gonna paint more white because I think now that we did the fresh coat of that light gray, looks beautiful in here, especially compared to before. That was all throughout, so we just brought this light gray fog color is what it's called, all throughout, but with that I made this look dingy, so I will be painting that a nice bright white. This is our table. I will tell you guys where everything's at when I do the finished one. We are going to be putting a chandelier up here. I do have it to show you. And then we still need to put our curtain rod here, and the curtains that are going to go in here are those same metallic light gray curtains. Sorry about my hand. That is in the living room. This is our microwave that's going to go in replace of this one, okay? What I do like at night is that there's a light you could turn on, and it's really nice at night. I'm trying to step back as far as I can. So living room, garage, there's our new fridge, I love it. And then yeah, our cabinets I really love. They're really nice cabinets. The backsplash I don't love. Eventually down the road, not in a while honestly, but I would like to get something lighter and more bright. I just don't love like that like orangey part of it. Don't love it. But we are putting lighting underneath here. Oh, I'm out of breath. These are like tile countertops. They're not like the most best with food because of the grout, but they are like, I don't know if they're granite or quartz or what they are, but they're like a really nice material. So me and Grant like them. We're gonna keep them. Sorry, my voice sounds like a man. I just woke up and I think I might be getting sick. We have no food, but we do have a Lazy Susan. Here, there's like a cute like spice rack. Once again, got nothing. All the drawers are really deep. They just slide. This is a chandelier that we're gonna put up here above the black circle table. So with it being a black circle table and stuff, I think that's gonna be so freaking cute. And we will paint that wall. Honestly, just ran out of time, just was worn out, whatever. And then like back there too, like. And here's our hallway. Okay, so these doors I do want to paint, so by the time that the furnished house tour is done, the doors will be painted. And here's gonna be Grant's man cave. It is a small room. And then when we have kids, I'm assuming this will be the one that gets taken over by a little tot. Just got a ceiling fan up there, and then these curtains that I took from my house, and then just your regular typical closet. And here, I want to do just a little bit more things to it. What I love is I love this tile in here. There's even like this detailing all the way around the tub, and I don't know why. I just think that's really pretty. I look. Okay, so don't love this. This don't love. It's a painted countertop, so ugly. So don't love it, but yes. And then these I would like to paint sometime when we have time. No rush. Love this. Had to surprise Grant with something. So I eat, sleep, poop. It's freaking poopery. That's awesome. I think it's dumb that they have, you guys need to tell Grant in the comments that these are dumb. Love it. That there's a curtain or a shower. There's a
Girl, speak. I'm like just tell Grant that there's too many towel holders, towel rods, bars.
Towel rod right there above the toilet. Like, ew, who wants poop on there? So that's ugly. And then behind here, there's just two like rods. I think that's weird that there's two in a row and then a hook here. It's just like way too much hardware on the walls. So I would like to just put two simple hooks right here, so when we get out of the shower, we can just boop, grab our stuff. I do love the tile in here, and then it goes up like so. Yes, love it. Oh, also like in the living room, this like dims the light. So it's like mood lighting. Love it. Okay, so this room, once again, it's gonna be painted white. This room is my filming room where the magic will happen. Okay, I was a turkey bird and I only bought like one set of these curtains. So I literally have one panel and one panel on here. We did find new ones, praise the Lord. So I will be putting those over here and it'll look much better. It does look odd right now because the sunlight is coming through, but in real life they're very pretty, they're metallic and I love them. Okay, so this is all white. I just painted everything white with the hardwood floors again. And then this wall, it is a light pink. White with the blush pink here and then a really light pink here. I'm gonna have a pink chair. I'm gonna put a chandelier up here eventually, and then like a rug and my makeup desk and like my shoe shelf in the background and all of that jazz. Right here is my closet for in here. And then in my closet, once again, it's a mess because we're moving, but here is like all the shelving, and that's really nice because I've never had that in a closet before. And then I got two racks, one rack, and it's all purple. Don't love that. The ceiling is even purple. They painted the ceilings in here and I don't quite understand that. Like this ceiling, I'll show you in the finished home tour, but the ceiling was black. I'm not even joking. So, gotta love that. And then like their paint color, that was everywhere, so it got on there. So I have to go around and touch up that, but for now, we're dealing with it. Across the hall, we have our bedroom. And the color once again is the light gray, the fog color. These curtains are actually so beautiful. They're blackout curtains. And then it just shows our backyard out there, hardwood floors. And then there's our air mattress that I've been sleeping on. So I insisted on sleeping in here. Our bed's coming in. All our furniture is coming in today. But yeah, it's just a square bedroom. Nothing too fancy, guys. But there is a fan up there. And I freaking love this house. I think it's so cute. It's gonna be the perfect first home for sure. Okay, so I have our master bedroom, filming room, yes, bathroom, Grant's man cave, hall closet, and then behind this door, there's a like clean closet, coat closet, front door, like front door again, window, love it, big living room, kinda, flat screen TV, yes, garage, hot man, yes.
Sorry if I made you dizzy there. Someone just texted me. Back to the video.
I hope you guys enjoyed the house. But what do you think? Please comment down below what you guys think, because I love interacting with you guys so much. And thank you for all the comments in my last video. It means so much to me, even though there's so much hate comments. And I got a video comment about that. But please comment. What do you guys want to see? What, you feel? Thank you though. If you do subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are sharing with your friends, that is like the best compliment ever. So thank you. And yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys the full completed house tour and just my life. And I have so many other videos I want to share. The thing is, okay, I haven't made a YouTube video or like done YouTube stuff for like a week now, and like I've really missed it. I'm like, I really need to get back into it. You feel? But it's just because I had so much going on with the house, and I just had to do that. I work 40 hours a week. So I just did not have time. But I have like 4 freaking videos or 5, I don't know. I have a lot of videos like recorded. I just haven't had the time to edit and put them up. So it's like, but I'm so excited for you guys to see the videos that I do have coming. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, once again, tell me what you want to see later. Okay, bye.